got ThyssenKrupp. Got a big elevator here. One. This big elevator. This is the elevator at the Toronto Pearson International Airport. Fixtures. Got ThyssenKrupp. Here we are. 4,000 pounds fixtures. Caviar. Strange to see a ThyssenKrupp here. Going down?
It's still here.
Come on in because I never been to these big.
So it's okay. Just wait. No, it's not.
I never been to these before. This works different.
This one, yeah.
Tell me you're getting married today.
This one goes to US, another border, another gate for the US, right? Yeah, because I never been here. This one. Works different to me. Because in my mind, because I used to remember
Other side, right?
other side, but I never
You're going.
going to Los Angeles.
Huh?
I'm going to Los Angeles.
Okay, gate number.
I'm on opposite side, but I never been here.
Okay. Come inside. Come outside. Look around.
There's nothing to look around here.
Place. Come.
Yes.
To sitting around. No, that's a nice place.
Okay, let's go back to the elevator at Toronto Pearson International Airport, Terminal 1. Back up here. Call that. Who do you see? It's ThyssenKrupp, interesting. Never heard of the elevator here. Okay, back to our 4,000 pounds. Here we are.